all it's gonna do.
And this may be the
the trap. Losing. Close.
It don't look like he's in the locker room anymore. Come on. Small money.
Pages on Roman Reigns' face. Because here comes the beast, Brock Lesnar. Roman's still looking at the announce table. There. Like, look at this. Out. Into the carrying it out between Roman and the ring. Lesnar on. Brock Lesnar beat the hell out of his. And now the Usos, Jimmy, champion Roman Reigns. Jumping, pump kicking human on earth. And now Brock Lesnar chopping hands on Roman Reigns. Brock's face, he continues to Oh, no.
Hey, Brock, you acknowledge me.
Sami Zayn. I'm not sure if we'll be here. But the minute is a must. Roman comes back and wants, and instead Roman has been met with the OG bloodline. And he has to hope that Punk said, I'm in this for one night. Heyman. War Games 2 years ago. Tama Tonga is a
here in WWE as well. Roman Reigns says to start this and out. Jey Uso. Giving the new bloodline, Jimmy and Jay, 8 times have been. Tonga with that slot. Tama launching himself over the top.
Tama Tonga is saying, oh, Jay now. Your journalism chops full.
Reversal.
Oh, backfire.
And think of Fatu need a damn. McDrop. Lower follows it up.
Jacob Fatu looks like a savage.
Solo
one's up for my new tribal chief.
In. Tonga Loa just crushed.
Look at this.
Oh! Those may be the scariest eyes I've ever seen.
CM Punk said, I'll do it.
That won't sit well in this match.
If there's anyone crazy enough. Ready. The last time CM Punk had a... And here we go!
CM Punk, the history of the business.